Hi there friends, this is Jack and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to move and organize apps on the Samsung Galaxy S25. Open your phone, unlock it, and swipe up on the screen to open the apps page where you can see all of your installed apps. Next, tap on the More symbol in the corner of the screen. Now choose the Sort option. To open the sorting settings, here you will see different sorting options. Select alphabetical order to automatically organize all your apps by name. If you want to move an app manually, simply long press the app icon, then drag it to the position you want on the screen or homepage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more easy Android tips and useful tech tutorials.